Way down there, way down. And speaking of down, our temperatures dropping overnight because I stepped outside a minute ago and it felt a little cooler.
It does.
Breezier, cooler.
It's the breezes that are coming on through right now. Temperatures are still in the 70s, which certainly isn't cooled by most standards, but
our standards.
We are going to start to see some changes in our forecast. We've got a cold front that may be moving on through over the next couple of days. That's going to help to cool us off just a little bit. But right now, this is the daytime high that we experienced today, 84. And you can see that normally we're at 80 degrees for our daytime high. So above normal temperatures prevailing. 62 is the overnight low. Not as cold as back in 1956 on this date when it got down to 40 degrees. And it wasn't ever as high as 1994 on this date when it was 87 degrees. But we are still on the warm side. Temperatures right now are mostly in the 60s and 70s across northern and central Florida. And we are looking at Tallahassee as the coolest temperature reading right now of 59 degrees. And across our area, all of our temperatures are coming in the low to mid 70s. Away from the water, it's a little bit cooler than at the water's edge. And as you can see around the Manatee County area, we're looking at temperatures that are mostly in the mid 70s from Palmetto all the way down through Longboat Key. And then you get into northern Sarasota County and you're looking at 74, 75 on Bee Ridge and Siesta Key reporting 74 degrees. And this is true all the way down the coastline as well, with our temperatures mostly in the mid 70s. At the airport, a few more clouds now beginning to pop up. Temperatures are in the 70s, humidity at 82%, dew point at 68 degrees, and those winds have definitely been strong throughout the day, coming in out of the east-northeast at around 15 miles per hour. Not a whole lot in the way of cloud cover, just a few high, thin clouds coming on through, but we are picking up some showers, mostly developing along the east coast and moving very rapidly to the west coast because of those stronger winds. And so we are going to see the opportunity for some scattered showers taking place throughout the overnight time period. We've had very isolated showers during the latter part of the afternoon, and so those have come streaming on through here very quickly, and they really haven't made much of an impact. But later on tonight, we could see a few more showers coming on in, and throughout the overnight time period and into the early morning hours tomorrow, we've got an opportunity for about a 20 to 30% chance of rain during the early part of the day. We do have a cold front that's going to be making its way down across the state on Monday, and that will happen on Monday. But for tomorrow, we're going to be seeing mostly sunny skies. Highs will be back up in the 80s. We get the early morning showers, then a long period of sunshine, and then the late afternoon, evening rains will be coming back on into the picture for tomorrow. If you're heading off to the beach, winds will be out of the northeast at 2 to 4 feet, and a moderate chop out on the bay. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful day for tomorrow. During the daytime hours, we're looking at daytime highs getting up to about 82 degrees, a 20% chance of rain during the early morning, and then a little bit later on in the day we'll see those showers coming on through. Again on Monday, that cold front comes in, a 20% chance of rain, and then we start to see our temperatures in the upper 70s where they're supposed to be. Adam?